Hi, I'm Simon from Ferret, and before we start this video I want to ask you to subscribe and click that bell button down below to stay updated on our latest, greatest, most awesome content on the space of YouTube. Let's get cracking with this video. So in front of me I have something very similar to the other thing I've reviewed, that other thing that drives the Cosmo. This is the Boxer. Yeah, it's a toy again, and it's some kind of robot that plays with you. So everyone can use friends, I can use friends, you can use friends. If you don't have any friends, well, maybe this can be a solution for you. Let's be buddies. Yeah. So it has interactive touch sensors, intuitive RC control, speedy balancing motors and all that stuff, engaging personality and dynamic moods, remote control driving, gesture and touch control, and game activating cards, and an interactive ball as well. So you can control this device, you can play with it with a ball, and you can play with it with different cards. So that looks fun. Let's check it out. Ooh, wow, it actually looks pretty cool. It's matte gray, as you can see. So we have an instruction manual. We have the play cards as well in here. We never read an instruction manual. So we have different play cards: soccer, slingshot, bat bowling, fortune teller, DJ bot, paddle bot, go-kart, dance party, stunt show, and laser tank. Alright, it's working. It's working. It's doing all kinds of weird stuff, and yes. So there's a button on the back of this thing. Stop, stop. What are you doing? I'm not controlling anything. What? Right, I'm going to be honest, I had to read the manual because Boxer was doing all kinds of weird stuff, and yeah, I'm going to try this again. So, turn him on. Calm down, okay, the remote. Whoa! What was that? That was suicide! And now he's a bit confused. What happened? Stop doing that. Oh, I'm controlling. Why? He fell over. Oh, okay. He's drunk? Yeah, he's drunk. Whoa! Did you see that? Why would you do that? Yeah, uh-oh. Oh god, what? Is that... What? Battery's dead or what? Right, so it takes a while to get... Yeah, stop. It takes a while to get used to the controls. Okay. So there are different ways to play. You can play with the remote, but you can also play with your hands, like this. Yeah, okay. Like for example. You can take him. He's right. Okay. There's a ball. Oh, look, he's following the ball. He's following the ball. Look at this. Oh. Look, here, ball. Yes, ball. Nope. Ball, 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 ball. Look at the ball. Look at the ball. No, no, no. Ball, ball, ball. Okay, I'm going to turn you around. What are you going to do now? So, you can use him via the app as well, and you can use him via the interactivity card. So you press its back over here. Ah, he scanned it. And now... Do you want the ball or something? Oh! Why? So Boxer has to shoot the ball in order to score and all that stuff. So you have different cards. Let's try another card. Let's see, fortune tower. DJ bot, DJ bot. Let's try DJ bot. So that's music, yeah? Okay. Oh, that's perfect. So I think it's pretty clear that this thing... Oh, calm down. Whew! It's something, yeah. It has its own personality, because when I was playing with the ball, it didn't want to play with it anymore. So it's pretty fun. It's a lot of fun. It's pretty cool, and it's fun with all the cards. But it's not for someone who's grown up. It's for kids, of course. You can remote control it. I found it a bit difficult to remote control this thing, but hey, maybe that's me because I'm not really that good at remote controls. But it's fun. It does the job. It talks. The sensors over here do their job as well. So on the back, on the top, and on the front, there are sensors, and it can do tricks. It can do all kinds of fun stuff. So that's actually pretty cool. So this artificial intelligence robot only costs $80, which is actually not a lot of money for a artificial intelligent robot. Yeah, you know what I mean. I thought it would be way more expensive, but for $80 you get something pretty cool. You have different styles you can use. You can use it with your hands, you can use it with the app, you can use it with the remote, with the play cards. So for $80 you get a full package, in my opinion. Would you get this for Christmas? Well, yeah, if you're really looking for a present for a kid who likes toys, who likes remote controlled toys, who would like this, then you really can't go wrong with this. There is a wide variety of things you can do with it. So it's actually pretty cool. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. If you didn't, leave a dislike and tell us why, so we can improve our videos. And I hope I'll see you, yes, you's watching this behind your phone or behind a computer screen. I don't know. In our next video. Bye bye.